Hello, I am Gary Diefenthaler, and thanks for joining me. I am a full-time real estate agent with DeSell Real Estate Company. I am going over some of our local purchase agreement paragraphs. We will be covering the sex offender registration, property insurance, and special flood hazard paragraphs in this session. So, let's get started. Paragraph 9, Sex Offender Registration. This agreement is conditioned upon purchaser's satisfaction with purchaser's investigation of public records available pursuant to any applicable sex offender registration and/or notification laws within 5 days from acceptance. In the event that purchaser's investigation uncovers unsatisfactory information, purchaser may terminate this agreement prior to the expiration of the 5-day investigation period, and the termination procedures of paragraph 21 shall apply. So every county sheriff department has a website available. You can go into that website, look up sex offender registrants, and if you find one registered too close to your property that you're looking at buying, if something just makes you feel uncomfortable, within 5 days from acceptance of your contract, of the agreement, you can terminate the contract. Paragraph 10, Property Insurance. If homeowner's insurance cannot be obtained or can be obtained only at higher than standard rate due to the condition or claims history of the property, then the purchaser may terminate this agreement by providing written notice to the seller no later than 3 days in advance of closing. And the termination procedures of paragraph 21 shall apply. So if your insurance company comes back and says, this is going to be the premium for the house, and it's, at a much higher level because of all the claims on the property, you have the right within 3 days of closing to say, Mr. Seller, I'm not interested in this property. Insurance is going to be too expensive. I want out. Paragraph 11, Special Flood Hazard Area. If the property is determined to be in a special flood hazard area as determined by the current flood maps published by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, or FEMA, purchaser may terminate this agreement by providing written notice to seller no later than 3 days in advance of closing, and the termination procedures of paragraph 21 shall apply. So you can, again, call your insurance company, have them check the property to see if it's in a floodplain area that FEMA is representing as a floodplain. And if your insurance company says, hey, for placing flood insurance on this property, it's going to be, X amount of dollars. If that is an exorbitant amount for you to pay on an annual basis, you have the right to back out of this deal because of this property being in a floodplain. There will be clues that the property's in a floodplain. Your real estate agent or yourself can go to the auditor website. There will be notations in the tax information in the auditor's website that this is in a flood zone. Again, a real good place to call would be to ask your insurance agent if they can check this out and see what this would mean as far as insurance premiums that would be charged to you. This ends the session. Please remember, any day is a good day to talk about real estate. Give me a call at 419-360-1221. I would be more than happy to talk to you and answer any of your real estate questions. My website is nwohiohomesforsale.com. Hey, make a great day, and I will see you soon. Thanks for your time.